Hello guys, it's Mungai. Eve niko hapa, niko na marafiki wangu from Mugo TV. I have Tusabi there. I have official Rani J here. I have Precious or Beloved National Diploma. Yeah. We're here to discuss about things that has been trending online for maybe a couple of days or a week. There have been so many stories. There have been lockdown. There have been so many stories actually. So we're here to discuss them with these guys from Mugo TV. Yeah. So guys, this week has been the toughest week. There have been lockdown. Are you guys used to getting into the house at 8 p.m.?
Yeah. That's really been a tough time because you see nowadays we are facing I think longer days, longer nights, shorter days, because you find yourself out. You're supposed to be in the house by 7 o'clock, so that because the curfew starts at 8, so at least like for me personally, I have to be in the house by 7, and before, at least when it was at 10, we knew we have like 2 more hours ahead, you see. So it's really been a tough time. Yeah, it's really been hard. So it's really been hard on us. So I want the curfew to be uplifted.
It should be uplifted.
Yeah.
At least to 10 p.m.
Yeah, at least to 10 p.m. as it was before. Yeah, at least.
How about you, Precious? How is the curfew and stuff shaking you? Are you planning to go to Mombasa this weekend? This Easter, you are heading to Easter.
I'm telling you, the main important thing there is that affects me so much. Most of the things I do, I spend most of my time in church, and stopping the church because of this COVID stuff really affects. And even when you go to, I can remember I went to town to get something, I couldn't get what I wanted to get because I was watching the time. So once it's 3:30, 4, you need to leave the town. If not, the traffic will hold you to 8 o'clock. And the police, they are doing their work, but they can't understand that is the traffic. They will flog you, and there are only 2 things involved. If you don't cry, you will piss on yourself. You understand? So it's not funny. I'm just praying that all this will be over, because it's really stopping us from achieving what we need to achieve.
Do you feel like closing the country, the curfew and stuff will help in ending the pandemic?
Actually, it's the doctors that will say that. My own duty is just to sit down and watch.
Yeah.
So anyhow they want to do it, fine. You can't tell the president, because if you're elected, you'll be the one to say this is how you want to.
You want it to be.
Yes, to rule the country. So anyhow the president wants to, it's okay. So the only thing that is he should also put in mind concerning the poor masses. So anyhow he wants to do it to stop it, because it's really real. Even people in outside the country, they are complaining. Yeah. So anyhow they want to do it.
But the president said that we are the one who made him to uplift, to bring out the issue of lockdown again and the curfew, because when he opened the country, we actually misbehaved. We didn't wear a mask, we didn't sanitize, so the cases
the most difficult people to control is human beings, especially Africans. Like whites, when you tell them, look at the rules, always put on your marks, they will stick to that. But Africans is just like, how will I put it, they are very difficult. So most of us didn't believe that such things exist. So that's the reason why we don't wear masks, and it keep on coming and come. Even you see the worst is still going to come.
But we thank God there is a vaccine right now.
We need to prevent it. If not, throughout the end of this year, we'll keep on hearing COVID till end of this year. So the only thing we need to do is, the president have declared even that we should do this, wear masks, sanitize. Let's abide in that rules and see how we'll stop it.
Okay. So, trust. Most artists like Major, Calligraph, they are actually requesting the president to maybe uplift the curfew. Trust, how is the curfew and lockdown affecting you guys, especially you guys that are from outside country and you're here to learn?
Yeah, I think it has really slowed the process of learning, because if you notice from last year, it has really slowed the process, because there are some people that were supposed to graduate like July, but now the lockdown prolonged the graduation till late ending of the year. And so it was really a prolonged process. But it is going to be good and helpful if the president should consider such, because I would say, yeah, you see, like as you said, the celebrities are even complaining, like
People
protesting
walking up to
online. You understand? So it is good that the president should also consider that, because activities will go on. And then what we need to understand is that this COVID, it has already entered, so we need to just take measures. And then, yeah, we know prevention is better than cure. We should put that at the back of our mind. But as well, we should the president and the government should also see a way to distribute this vaccine or circulate the vaccine faster, so that people can be able to go back to their normal routine. Because unlike, there are a lot of viruses that are around, and then we've been protected by their vaccines. So I mean, if that one is there, I think it's going to help a lot, so that people should go back to their normal routine. Students should go back to school, finish up school on time as they planned. And so, well, it's an unfortunate event. It happened, so we can't control it. But if we can control it, we can do it to the best of our ability. But yeah, we cannot handle it like at a go. Yeah.
And so you'll advise the citizens to take the measures, like they should go for the vaccines, because most people are like, no, the vaccine is fake, the vaccine is gonna give other viruses. But like for me, I've already taken my own vaccine.
Oh yeah, you've taken it?
Yes, I've already taken my own vaccine, and the vaccine is very okay. So what I think, if the citizens make up their mind and go for the vaccines, and they keep themselves, as in they prevent themselves from the COVID, I think the president is gonna uplift it, because the amount of cases will be dropping too. So we should advise everyone to go for the vaccine.
Yeah, we just hope everything will be okay. So there has been so many stories. Yesterday I saw our drama queen. In Kenya you have our drama queen, who is known as Queen of the Streets.
Before the story, the question you want to ask, there's something I want to add in what Tusabi said. There is something we call Pareto principle, and Pareto principle is being used for probably students, and most of us doesn't use it, because one, it's just like an angle. Most of us, we go to school, we go to activities, we come back to the house. But when this COVID stuff prevents you from going to school, there are some students, they find it difficult to read at home. They only find it easier reading in class with their fellow students, and they understand. Why there are some, when they are at home, they find it's very difficult to open.
Maybe the environment is not conducive.
Yes, and they find it difficult to open their books to read. So if we can be able to consider, it will really help. If not, there are people that when they come back to the activities, they can't open the book. That's why when you see the performance of this time is very, very poor, because people are not studying. So if they can also consider the students, it will also be of help.
So we were talking about our drama queen, the Queen of the Streets. I saw her saying that if she was to get married right now, her dowry would stand at 10 million, inclusive of 15 bulls, and 100K, not less than 100K shopping, house shopping.
Is she carrying gold?
The question is, what kind of, is it 100 million watts or 10 million watts. I thought is
10 million
shillings.
10 million Uganda shillings.
No, Kenyan shillings.
maybe it's 10 million Uganda shillings.
Tanzania.
Because somebody, I don't really know how somebody will just start wake up one early morning and start saying, 10 million.
You know, she's a celebrity.
Well, I don't know if she have gold.
Yes.
And we need to call a doctor to confirm if there is gold.
If there's gold inside that,
If there is gold, you can pay the amount.
Maybe when you pay such kind of money and marry her, she will give birth to second Jesus.
Of
you
course.
understand? Because even if there's gold inside, you understand. You are not. It's not like you are eating the gold and it's entering your stomach.
No,
You can mine it and sell it.
Yes. What matters is not what she's going to give
Like,
birth. Because snake can't give birth to a lion. Do you understand? So maybe she wants to give birth to second Jesus that will come and deliver us. Do you understand?
Yeah.
So we need to ask her if she's sure it's 10 million shillings or 10 million Uganda
Shillings.
we need to be sure.
Or Tanzania shillings.
That one can be reasonable.
That one can be reasonable.
First of all, if I want to pay that kind of amount of money, I will be paying.
Would you pay such amount for a girl?
Or a lady that is putting a remote controller in her pussy. Am I mad?
No, what my friend
not?
was.
Live online.
Live and
on Instagram.
a lady that is known online, like she's known because most people now, she's not far from being a prostitute, you see. So it's just the same now.
Yeah.
My friend was
So
telling me,
I can always
when she heard that is something she said, am I giving 10 million to marry a single lady or a kindred? Because that 10 million can give you more than,
You understand?
more than kindred.
Okay, yeah. You guys are very funny. Okay, there have been another story trending on certain shoes. You know, you guys know more.
That's a conscious,
Yeah, there are certain shoes. I saw you with a Jesus shoe. Now there is certain one.
I swear. See, that certain shoe, as I'm telling me, I myself am a fan of shoes, but
Yeah, you are a shoe gamer.
yeah, but I cannot buy that certain shoe. You see that certain shoe, as in that guy, for me, he did not do well.
Do you feel? I feel like maybe it's an ordinary shoe. He's just calling it certain shoe so that maybe he can sell.
No, you see, even the shoe has the marks for
Yeah.
Illuminati
There's
and
that
stuff.
sign.
You see those signs.
The inverted
Yes,
star.
you see. So,
Okay, now that Precious is so much into church and everything, how would you say about that story? Certain shoes.
The guy is
What?
demonic.
What's wrong? What's wrong with this generation?
He needs deliverance.
He needs Jesus.
Plus prophets,
I swear.
pastors, ministers, evangelists,
Yes.
and a very good, strong deliverance ministers.
Maybe he doesn't believe in God.
See, even if you don't believe in God, they will force you to believe in God.
I swear.
Because how much is the shoe?
I'm not sure. How much is the shoe?
$1,018.
$1,018.
And people are
That's,
buying.
that's
For one
close. That's close to 100 and something
And
thousand.
do you know the most surprising thing? He sold I think it was 666 pairs that were produced. That's 66.
Yeah.
Yeah.
600?
66 pairs.
That's Nini.
That were
That
produced.
That's sign of devil.
So and then inside the shoes it contained human blood.
Human blood.
So imagine, I don't know, is it that they killed 666 people to use their
use
blood,
their blood,
or how do they
How
get?
did they get the blood?
Now how are we sure it's the human blood? What if it's ink?
No, that's what he said.
That's what it says now. Even
Na
on
human blood.
on Google, it said it's on Google that's human blood. But for me, I cannot put on those shoes, even if I'm given for free. I cannot take them.
And you know, one thing is that guy has been. I really like his songs
Imagine.
very well.
You like his songs? Yesterday I
was
checked his
Before,
Yeah, that
song
was
and it has so many snakes. I didn't check.
see.
No, actually, I was talking of actually there's this Old Town Road.
Oh, that one,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah. It was really nice. It was outstanding. But now coming to really destabilize and destroy that image, that good reputation that
Imagine.
he had given himself. Like, I mean, there are, as you said, he might not believe in God, but at least there should be a sign of respect that you should have. You understand? So if he doesn't believe in God, does that mean he believes in devil? And then even if he believes in the devil, if you watch his video closely,
He does not even respect
down.
the devil.
He's stripped
understand?
down to hell and twerk for the devil.
For the devil.
Jesus Christ.
But the most people that we should question is not even.
And he killed
He
the
killed the
devil
devil
and wore the
and
devil's
sat,
crown.
and sat on that chair now.
And wore the devil's crown.
So,
And he twerked for the.
For the-
That's
imagine.
that's the most. No, you should watch that video.
But the thing there is, I don't. You can try to manufacture something and call it blah 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 names.
Yeah.
But the people that we need to question is those people that are going for such things.
Yeah, true.
So you can't just tell somebody who is responsible, even if you have that kind of money. You have heard what this kind of person is saying, and you're still going for such kind of thing. They need to question you. Even the government need to question. That is how you will deal with. You can't fight government.
yes, never.
I'm telling you, there is nobody who can fight government.
Yeah.
If the government
Decide.
on what to do to him, he will be the one crying.
Yeah.
So is for me, whatever he's doing, he's just how will I put it? He's just showing the little strength he have.
Yeah.
But when government, for me, I can't even accept such. Even to use my money to buy such.
buy, why?
One, are you buying it? Is it going to give you an income? Yes, there are people that they can go and buy expensive shoes. Yes, because you know the kind of income you have. But what the guy said concerning the shoe is what is making me angry. And before you said people went for the shoe.
Yeah.
So many
are
people
buying,
went for the shoe.
especially abroad. Yeah, most people are buying. USA, Europe, they're buying the shoes.
You know, Africans, hey.
There are
No,
some
no,
Africans, there are some Africans that will buy, but I think in Africa, very few of us will buy in Africa. But there in Europe, so many people will buy.
Where?
There are people who don't care about God, they don't care, so they just buy it. It's not like they are devil worshippers, but there are people who are just there.
They just want to make
Yes,
name.
They just want to make
They just
name.
want to buy it when they
Yes.
wear it. They say,
Say,
wow.
I'm wearing a human being's blood on my
Yes.
another person's blood
I see some of them,
Want
they will
to-
even snap and post it.
and post it.
Some of them, they didn't even know what they know. You can go and buy something in the market, but you don't know what is behind
There are people who are
that stuff
ignorant.
that you are putting on. Some of them didn't know.
Yeah. Maybe they got to know about it when they saw the
Yes.
story online.
Do you know there is something that you can buy in the market? It will affect you spiritually.
Normal.
Yeah, I've heard that.
Yes.
How will it affect me now? I'm just wearing the shoe.
And you won't know it when it will start affecting you. Won't know unless it's somebody that is being called by God. Will still tell you, look at the problem. Look at where it's coming from. And once you remove that, you'll be okay.
Be smart.
So what would we like to tell to young guys? You know, I know maybe we as young people, we are the one who would go for such things because we want to feel like, yes, we are the OGs.
Advising young guys, advising people, there is only one thing I know.
Yeah.
When you advise someone, you are not advising the person to go and do that. When you advise someone, it's led for him to sit down and think
And then decide
which one. Even if you
want.
talk to today to tomorrow, whoever that doesn't want to change can never change. And there
True.
is, see, any matured or any young guy, they know the good and the bad.
Yeah.
So telling them that there are some people that are doing it just to show that, show off,
Yeah.
that look at what they are putting on. So that the kind of things you should waste yourself advising people.
Someone will do what they feel it's
Yeah, they
right.
feel it's right. That's-
Wow, that's good. So, as we come to the end, there have been this story that has blown up the internet. It's a story about, there has been stories about rape, which has made even some of the presenters to lose job. Have you heard of that story about a lady who was,
Yeah.
you've heard about her?
Yeah.
There were presenters who decided to discuss the issue, but unfortunately the issue landed them to the hot soup.
Hot seat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what do you think about that story?
Okay, like for me, the presenter. Okay, first of all, let's start about for the story. For me, what the man did was very bad. Like to
push
the lady, for the lady to fall down from that height. it's very bad, because now in that case, most ladies now will be using that story like to in most men like us, and for fellow men, like, okay, let's say now if I had to invite a lady over now, she'll be like, no, let's meet outside. Okay, like, what if me now I don't want to meet outside, I just want to be like in my place, I want the lady to come. Now she'll be overthinking because of that story. You see, that thing is going to put fear in many ladies. So I'm not in support of what the man did. Yes, like to push the lady, even if the lady refused to agree with him, he could have just let the lady be. Yes.
What about your trust? I mean, Precious.
For me, what I have to say that I want to blame, or will I say, okay, I don't just want to talk about the guy pushing the lady, but it's not right for a lady. Okay, I want you guys to look it in this way. We are just only talking about because the guy pushed the lady.
Yes.
What if this is the first time they are meeting?
Yeah.
What
and
if
they
guys
met on Facebook?
Yes, on Facebook. What if she going inside there and there is a lot of guys there?
Imagine.
Now that's what I want you now, because you said that the guy did bad. Yes. But now put it in another shoe. Okay, what if there are people that can use a lady's picture to chat? What if it's her fellow lady, she came in and they use her for something else? So what we should talk about is, I don't think it's right meeting someone for it's not even, she have not met her before on Facebook, just on Facebook, where there is a lot of fake accounts on Facebook. On Facebook, you are coming to the man's house for the first time. It's very, very bad.
I'm saying, yeah, we can even put it in different shoes based on how my brother is saying. Like, you know, this lady, she went there, and we don't know the main purpose why she was there, and so this guy pushed her. That's the story we had, right? And then now you don't know if it was the lady that was forcing herself on the guy. You understand? Yeah. It can happen like that. But then either way, this guy must have maybe pushed her in terms of self-defense. So we don't even know. So it still can happen that this guy was the one forcing himself on her, and then at the cost of forcing himself, he pushed her.
Maybe even pushing her was a mistake.
Maybe.
Yes, that's what. Yes, self-defense. Yeah. Maybe it's a mistake.
So yeah, maybe he didn't mean to push.
Yes.
Okay, guys, we've come to the end of our video. You subscribe to Mogo TV. You like, you share our videos. We meet next time.
Continue sharing and liking,
comment, drop your comments on what you think.
On Mungai Eve channel.
Eve channel too.
Big shout out.
Big shout out.